Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel on analytics, machine learning, and AI. In this playlist, I will cover various aspects of Azure Data Factory, not only conceptually but also through hands on examples. In this video, I'll be taking you through the different types of activities within ADF and showing them in the Data Factory Studio. We will look at how to use some of these activities during some of the hands on videos later. Think of activities as the worker ants in your data pipeline. Azure Data Factory offers a wide range of activities for various types of tasks. Let's break down the three main types of activities within Data Factory. The first one is data movement activities. These are activities that transport data from a source to a destination or sink, such as the copy activity. Data Factory supports a variety of data stores for both the source and the destination, like Azure Blob Storage as a source and Azure SQL DB as a destination. Let's switch to Data Factory and go to the authoring canvas and open the data pipeline we built in the previous video. We can see in the Move and Transform section the activities Copy Data activity and the Data Flow activity. These are both data movement activities. They move data from a source to a destination. If we take a look at the Copy Data activity, it has a source and a sink. Similarly, if we look at the data flow activity, although it provides several data transformation choices, it essentially provides a source and a sink. The next one is data transformation activity. These are tasks that alter data, like the mapping data flow activity within ADF. Keep in mind that there are also activities that are external to ADF, meaning the computation is not done within ADF itself. For example, a stored procedure activity is executed on the database. A Databricks notebook activity is executed on an Azure Databricks cluster. This greatly expands the computational options for ADF for data transformation. If we switch back to Data Factory and open the pipeline, we can see in the activities the data flow activity, which is not only a data movement activity, but also provides several transformations to modify the data. We can join the data, we can aggregate the data, we can filter the data. So there are several choices that we have. Under the general category, we also have stored procedures that we can execute on a database. Or we can use a Databricks notebook activity that does some data transformation on a Databricks cluster. Finally, let's talk about control activities. These are tasks that are primarily done within Data Factory itself. Data Factory offers a variety of activities for various purposes, such as activities for looping and iterating, activities for branching, or activities to obtain metadata information. For example, if we switch back to Data Factory and open the pipeline, we can see that within the iterations and conditionals, there are several control flow related activities. For example, we have the for each activity to loop through a set of files in a folder, or a switch activity to choose between a set of options, or a get metadata activity to read metadata information about a file. With all these diverse types of activities, you can build complex data pipelines to support a variety of use cases. I hope you enjoyed this overview on activities within Data Factory. We will look at using some of these activities later in this series. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. We will cover a lot more in future videos. Please check the resources section below to see the links and resources available for this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and don't forget to hit the like button.